Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I'm back from work and I'm in my comfies. I'm knackered. This is the look I put on earlier. You should already have the video. I'm going to link it back so you can see. It's actually it stayed put really well. I've had obviously reapplied this so I can show you the look that I did with them bits there. So my eyes twitching, staring at screens hurts. But I really hope you like this look. If you do, I'm going to put a link up for you so you can see. But it stays put, it's brilliant. I don't know if it's because of the urban decay or what, but really, really chuffed. So there we go. But my skin's been itchy, like round here, and I've got spotty bits now. I'm probably off that, where is it? Oh, I can't remember. A bronzer. I used a bronzer. I'm going to do an unboxing. I've got one here to show you. It's a big one. It's from Debz, and she's wrote on it. Oh, well, you can see this actually. I'll hide that bit, but you can. It's me PO box. It doesn't matter. But it's please be nice. I contain cosmetics. Isn't that cute? So it's got cosmetics in it, not a head or a foot of something. Imagine if it was a foot. Please don't send us a foot. Ooh, right. Oh. It says, oh, and there's a little enjoy. So I'm really excited about this. Oh, right, let's have a look. What have we got? Right. Oh, I've got a lovely letter here. Wow. I don't know if I can, oh, she's drew on the bottom. That is so cute. Bless. Shall I read it out? I don't know if I can. No, I don't. No, I'm not going to read it out because this is actually really personal. Bless. I'm going to keep this and I'm going to read it afterwards. Oh, it's lovely. Oh. Oh, that's lovely. Right, yeah, I'm not going to read that out. Sorry, I'm going to keep that as really personal and special. I think what I will do though is because some people send lovely little notes. This is what I wanted to say. I did Dear Lauren years ago and it went really well. It started off people asking for makeup advice, but then they were sending questions about personal things and asking me advice on that. Like for instance, like what would you ask your friend? And I replied with what I would give a friend advice for, because I don't have many friends, I've got to be honest. You get acquaintances but you don't have any friends, and I've got no good friends. Martin is a good friend, but that's it. I don't have any friends. I seriously don't have any friends, and that's really sad. So some of you don't have friends out there. I'll be your friend. If you want to send us emails and I'll read them out or I'll not, it's up to you. You put in the email. My email's on there. It's goldilooks@mail.com. It's dead easy. So send us emails and anything you want advice on from a friend. Of course it won't be professional because I'm not a professional, but if you want us to do like a Dear Lauren type video, I'll collect a load and I'll put them in a video for you, so you'll all get a shout out. Yeah, because I think, you know, it's without sounding soppy, the world's pretty cold. It is. I find it is. And some people are quite nasty, and it's lovely when you come across people who are lovely and who touch your heart. And so I hope that I can help someone by doing this. I'm just mucking about in this box here. I'll make sure I've got everything out. Oh bless, it's in a little box. Let's have a look. It's lovely. Yeah, I don't, oh, she's padded it out lovely. I'm mucking around here, but it's because I don't want to pull anything onto the floor. It's in a special box. That, oh, it's cute. I think that's it in there. I'm going to put that down. Right, okay, so we've got a little packet here. So yeah, if you like the idea of that, doing the Dear Lauren again, you can be about makeup as well. I will do all my research I can and help you get the best answer to you. But it can be about anything. If you want advice on anything, let us know and we'll do it. Because I've got a forum on Facebook and it's called Feeling Down and Need a Friend. You need permission to join. Not anybody can. It's not open. But what I would love if you're interested, because it's got quite a few members in it now. So if you're from anywhere in the world, to get together and talk, and there's some people there that can help. It's like whatever time of night it is, or whenever you're feeling down, because sometimes you need things like that, and there's been times where I've really needed it, and that's why I opened that group on Facebook. I'll put a link up for you anyway. She's packed it out with loads of napkins and stuff, like colourful napkins. I love. Oh, that's lovely. Right, here we go. I'm excited about this. Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel. Got that there. Got 2 of them. I love Soap and Glory. I love things like that. That I love farting about, to be honest. You know, at night, I think, oh, I'll just go in the bathroom and fart about. Now we've got, oh, unicorn. All little napkins, so they don't fall out. Bless. What we got? Oh, these are lovely. So we've got 2 little, oh, NYX Glitter Brilliance Face and Body Glitters. Got a little blue one there. The purpley blue. It's brilliant. I love them. They're cute. I'm putting all my pigments together, so I'm going to put them in with the glitters or pigments. I'm not sure. Boots. Seal. What's this? Oh, I like that. It's a lovely colour, that. CYO. It's from Boots, I think. Isn't it? Yeah. By Boots. Yes. Oh, USA. There we go. That lovely colour. I don't have many of them pinks actually, so that's brilliant. And we've got, oh, I love the feel of this one. Revlon 1017 Matte. That's my colour. Love dark, dirty reds, if you can say that. Does that sound awful? I love them type of colours. They're lovely, thank you. So what we've got now. It's packed with loads of stuff. Bless her. Got more unicorn wrapping. Drop these. No, not okay. Oh, right, brilliant. So we've got No Hypnotic. This is a mascara, isn't it? No, it's not. Oh, it is. Here we go. It's a little Lancome mascara. Is it Lancome? Yeah, little Lancome mascara. Brilliant. I've got loads of little mascaras now. I'm going to put them in a separate thing and get using them. I've got L'Oreal Matte Signature Eyeliner. Ooh, right, black. Brilliant. Look at that. Is it black? No, it's not. It's blue. It's navy. Look at that. Oh, get in. Look at that. It's like a sea blue. Really excited about playing with that one. Then we've got Nude by Nature. Ooh. So a plate. This is brilliant because I don't have many of these. Plain black. Can it read? Need my eyes tested. Plain black eyeliner. Oh wow, that is super smudgy. That is brilliant. To be careful with that one. Ow. Ooh, All Cried Out waterproof mascara. So if I go swimming, look at the size of this thing. It's massive. Massive brush. Brilliant. I think I've only got one other waterproof mascara. So if I go swimming, I'll have a little play with that one. What's this? L'Oreal eyeliner, a violet wool. Ooh, violet. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. Look at that on the back of my hand. Lovely, isn't it? Brilliant. Don't have many colour liner. In fact, I don't even think I've got any other. I don't know actually. If I have, I hope I haven't lost them. It's just reminded us. I used to have loads. I don't know where they've gone. I'm going to have to go looking now. Righteous Rum. Another liner. So Revlon. Oh, brilliant. I'm going to have another purple liner there. It's all sealed so I can't show you quickly. They're lovely. Now what we got. This feel. Oh, it's all wrapped up lovely. You've done a good job because I know you were worried about not having them break on transit. Lovely bits and pieces wrapped up. Oh, Lee Stafford Hair Growth Pro Growth Complex. Oh, brilliant. I love. Thank you. I get to play with that because I'm to volume my strength and encourage growth right through. Go because my scalp's a bit hitty missy. as you know. And then we've got Revlon Rose Gold. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Look at that. Really, 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 really nice. That is lush. Really looking forward to having a go at that one. And what we've got here. Oh. Oh. Right, okay. So I've got a little perfume. I don't know what it is, but we'll have a sniff. Oh, that's nice. That's really cute. I love little bottle perfumes like that. That is lovely. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. It looks... I recognise the smell and all. You'll have to help us out, Debs. What is it? I haven't got a clue. This one is a little pot of hand and body lotion. Lush. Isn't that lovely? I'll take that to work actually, because my hands get really dry and rotten off the tile dust. But I did know what I was getting into when I took the job, so can't complain. What we got now? Wow, this one's wrapped, like super wrapped. Whoa! Whoa, right. Oh, brilliant. Okay, so we've got a little blush. I love little blushes. This looks like the number 7 one I've got. What time is it? Right. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? That's gorgeous blush, that. Got, oh, hang on, what have I done? I've just pulled, these look like magnetic eyeshadow. Oh, so hang on, what we got? Oh, right, I love. So that's your first eyeshadow. Met, is it Met? Yeah, I've never, Melt or Melt? Melt. Never ever seen eyeshadows like that before. They look lovely. Oh, and very pigmented as well. Look at the length of my nail, it's embarrassing. Right, that's like an orangey colour. Oh, it is orange, lovely. That would be a great transition colour if you go like a brown. Oh, I'm looking forward to playing with these. Look at that. Another one. Ooh, it's a bit late to be playing, but I might play about. Look at that one. Oh, they just get darker and darker. Right, I've got no fingers left. Thumb. Love, these are super pigmented. Oh wow, I love them. Really, really love them. I've got pigment all over my hand, I have to get rid of that. Oh, there's still more. Bless. Debs, this is lovely. What we got? This feels big, like a bottle or something. It's full of unicorn wrap. I love the packaging. There's just so nice, like Christmas in front of us. Honestly, you want to see the floor. Oh, what's... Oh, Blue Botanicals Carmen Pillow Spray with lavender essential oil. I love things like that because you get it. Hang on. Oh, that's lovely. That is lovely. I love doing that because I think they used to give them in hotels, didn't they, where you could spray your pillow. That's nice. Oh. Hopefully I shall sleep well tonight. Hopefully. Now we've got this Botanics. Oh, Rose Hot Cloth Cleansing Balm. Oh, oh wow. You're my new best friend. I'm loving facial products at the minute. Like, oh look, there's a little hot cloth. I've got little cloth, and then we've got organic, 97% organic with rose hip, and it's a cleansing balm. Massage balm over face and neck. Soak the cloth in warm water and use as a gentle compress to draw out impurities. Remove remaining balm. Finish by soaking the cloth in cold water and press gently over the face to close the pores. Use morning and night. Oh, hey, I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to playing around with that. I love things like that, you know. I love them. You pop a girly farty stuff. Mind you, I'm going to play with Martin's face. I think I might put some on him. He won't mind. Oh, careful. When you open these, they tend to spill if they've been wonky. Right, okay. Right. So I've got a little... So Hershey's wrote on there, look. this way up, and then she's wrote in there as well. So Botanics, all bright with hibiscus, hydrating day cream. Oh right, I see what you mean. So it has been wonky, you'll have to be careful. So you don't want it spilling. I love day creams and stuff. Oh, I see what you mean, it has, hasn't it? Oh. It smells really edible. Oh, I can't wait to put that all over. This is for daytime. It's day cream. I'm going to have to wait till the morning now. Oh, 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 Debz, thank you. This is brilliant. That is all, folks. I am so impressed with that, and I can't wait to read your letter. Oh, Debz, thank you very much. Honestly, I can't thank you enough. I've got loads of little bits and pieces here to be playing with. I love me little bit perfume and me. Oh, Debz. Debz, you're a star. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I love the packaging. You've given us a laugh here. It looks like Christmas in front of us. It's just, I've got, it was like a magic show. I love it. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. And I hope you're keeping well. I know we talk on Facebook anyway, but yeah, thank you. This is brilliant. Cheers. I'm really excited. Right, I'm going to go now and get on with the dinner. So I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.